Art portfolios can all start to look the same to admissions counselors after a while. They see a lot of rectangular white paper and canvas, a lot of the same common ideas and common materials. At Ashcan, we have a few different really effective ways to help your art portfolio stand out. One way you can stand out is to make a short animation. Your animation can be anywhere from a few second animated GIF to around 45 minutes long. It can be hand-drawn animation, rotoscope, where you create animated sequences by tracing over live-action footage frame by frame, or stop-motion animation. Adding an animated film to your art portfolio is a great way to catch the attention of admissions counselors. One reason is that they're fun to watch, but they're also difficult and time-consuming to make, showing them that you're dedicated to making art. These are segments of a few Ashcan student animations that they put in their art portfolios. Some were applying to animation programs, and others were applying to fine art or design programs. Another way to stand out among thousands of other applicants is to make wearable art for your art portfolio. Wearable art is an accessory or clothing designed to make an artistic statement. It's a blend of visual arts and fashion, usually produced only once. You can make wearable art using fabrics or other materials, including paper or other sculptural materials. If you make a unique garment and accessory for your art portfolio, you can photograph them on yourself, a model, or a dress form. You can also make an artist book for your art portfolio to stand out. Artist books are works of art that use the form of the book, where the book is intended as a work of art in itself. In these artist book examples, Ashcan art students challenge the idea, content, and structure of the traditional book, using different materials and techniques. They're a fun way to express your ideas, and they look great in your art portfolio. An artist book can be any size you'd like to make it, extra large or extra tiny. You can also make a pop-up book, collage materials, or use an existing book as material to make a sculptural work for your art portfolio. There are also several different bookbinding methods that you can use. If you use one or all of these methods for standing out when you're making your art portfolio, it will demonstrate to admissions that you're able to go beyond basic technical art skills, that you're original and inspired to try new things and to push yourself, and you can make art that's different from what other people are creating. Art offers art portfolio preparation classes year-round. Contact us at infomanhattan@ashcanart.com and see the classes we offer at www.ashcanart.com. You can see us on Instagram at ashcanart, and please subscribe below for more art portfolio tips.